here's the Minolta Capios 115 overall conditions. So here is the battery compartment, and you're using one CR123A battery. Okay. After that, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Then the film, we need to slide into it in order to let the motor fit into the center of the canister. Okay, after that you pull the film tip to here and make sure that your film is flat like this. Then you can just close it and it will auto load. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that you can start shooting right now. So here is the on off button. Here is the zoom. And here is the shutter. So when you want to fire, look into the viewfinder. At the center point there got a bracket or dot. So you just use that thing to aim whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay, if you light up like this, which means that you can just press it. Well, if it's blinking, which means that it can't focus, and the red light stands for flash. Okay, so if you still can fire the shutter, just the outcome will high chances that it's out of focus. Then here is the mode selecting. You can adjust to here is the macro mode. Then this one is the portrait and night mode shooting. This one is the smart metering. Yeah. And this is fully auto. And here is the flashlight setting. Well, I recommend you just put it at fully auto will do. And here is the timer and continuous shooting. This one is remote. Well, it doesn't come with remote, so yeah, cannot use it. Okay, after that we close it. Okay, next thing is the cross date function, which is date imprinting. Here we'll show the date, and it will also show at the outcome. If you don't want, you can press the mode to off it. Like this means it's off. Well, if you want, you can adjust the time by clicking the select first. Wait, okay, when it's blinking, then you can click the edges to adjust the date to the year you want. This one is year, month, and date, the format. Okay, alright, 2024. And click select to the next one. Then this one is the month. Never mind, November. Then the date. Okay, so if you want to change the format, you can just click the mode. If you don't want, this one is the date and the timer. If you don't want, you just put it like this, and when you shoot finish, it will auto remind. So yeah, hope you enjoy it.